Hello my little childrens. Welcome back to Tiny Tots World YouTube channel. Today is the story of the little bear who loved brushing teeth. In a cozy forest, there lived a cute little bear named Benny. He loved to eat honey, berries and sweet fruits all the day long. But Benny had one bad habit. He never brushed his teeth after eating sweets. One day, Benny felt a strange pain in his mouth. Ouch! He cried. His teeth began to hurt. Benny went to the wise Dr. Owl. "You must brush your teeth every day," said the owl kindly. Dr. Owl showed Benny how to brush properly, up and down and all around. That evening, Benny tried brushing his teeth for the very first time. It felt funny but nice. From that day on, Benny brushed every morning and night without fail. Soon, Benny's teeth became strong, shiny and pain-free. His smile was brighter than ever. Benny even taught his friends how to brush their teeth and stay healthy. Benny learned an important lesson. Brushing your teeth every day keeps you healthy, happy and smiling. Moral of the story is, brush your teeth every day to stay healthy and happy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Bye bye.